It's Dave from Wisdom Industry Company Limited. The video here is about the Petrol motorcycle for kids. We have 100cc engine on this gasoline motorcycle. This motorcycle is Li-Fan brand on 2.5 horsepower, 100cc. And here we have pull starter. It's EPA approved, so this motorcycle is sellable in Canada and the USA, in North American countries. The operation here is very simple. We have pull starter here, and the fuel tank. Here we have the flame out. On the right hand we have a brake handle and rear disc brake. Big disc brake pad. On the right hand here we have a shorter acceleration, the footrest, fat tire of course, big sprocket with chain driving and chain cover protection here. Here we have oil. On every 1,500 kilometers, we need to change the oil for the maintenance on the engine. So, for the latest prices on this Petrol motorcycle, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.